warning for northern Iroquois County in east central Illinois, central Ford County in east central Illinois, southeastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern Newton County in northwestern Indiana until 10:30 p.m. At 9:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Gilman, or 11 miles east of Piper City, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watseka, Piper City, Gilman, Clifton, Onarga, St. Anne, Sheldon, Ashton, Aroma Park, Hopkins Park, Crescent City, Danforth, Sun River Terrace, Martinton, Beaverville, Woodland, Donovan, Fawville, Papineau, and Iroquois, including the following Interstate 57 between mile markers 274 and 301. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.